Well, here we are at the final throws. We've assembled all the drawers, assembled the basic cabinet. I'm just going to lay it down on its front now and put the back panel on. As you see, it's all pretty easy constructed. The panels all pre-cut, pre-drilled, all come marked C, D, E, F, G, etc. And the plans are pretty straightforward. So it did indicate that we could put the panel on earlier than this, but we thought we'd put it on last in case we screwed up and had to take it off again. But we've been fairly successful. All looks pretty square and that, so we're going to nail it to the back. Okay, that's at the top to the centre, and then just make sure it's all square. All pretty good, so we'll put one in the centre of at the bottom. Hold it in position. While I go around and nail it at various intervals. Okay, so here we are. We've this afternoon just been constructing our flat pack of all pre-drilled. This one here, the front of the drawer, pre-drilled for the dowels, the cam pins, and the handle to drag the drawer out. The side plates here with the cam lock fitting, and pre-drilled at the end for the dowels and the cam pin. And the final piece is the back board, the back of the drawer, also pre-drilled to match the drillings of the side plates. After we assemble that, we end up with the base panel, the coloured side to the inside, the brown untreated side to the bottom. And we tack that on with nails as freehand, and then we apply the rails, the tracks, wheel tracks that suit the tracks we've already installed inside the gables of the cupboard there. It all goes ahead pretty smooth. The handle, which are these ones here, attaches to the inside of the front of the drawer. There's pre-drilled or pre-marked holes there. There's 2 wood screws takes it in, and we've got one goldy coloured handle. Front of the drawer, bring the dowels in. And now these are the cam pins for the cam locks that lock the sides onto the front of the drawer. Okay. So these are the cams that go in. Just push it there. And then on the end there, pins for the 2 dowels and the cam pin. Bring the cam home and lock it in place. There she is. Other side, but it's the same. Screws that hold the side plates onto the back. just let the screws protrude through a little bit as the back plate is pre-drilled, as they all are, and we can just locate them in the pre-drilled holes. Alright, so this way, so at the top with the smooth sides, the smooth, the unfinished on the back. There. There. In terms of the way I'm sitting now, but in fact it is the bottom of the drawer goes into the pre-cut slot. Okay. Right place. Tradesman. Okay. Now, the runners. Okay, that's one side. Voila! All that's left is one drawer. Cross your fingers. Voila.
Well, I need to do my part just to cover the hole, pop it in, beautifying. So I need to bind it. There you go.
over an infill that the cabinet is now upside down, just so that I can work on these here. This is just to fill in the gap between the top and the top of the top drawer. Here we go. Last one. Yep, that seems to look pretty good. So that's to do. You two can do this, just go to Bunnings.